How to set up Recaptcha for WordPress Front-end Submission Form. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to set up Recaptcha for WordPress Front-end Submission Form. This is useful to prevent spammers from submit articles using your front-end submission form. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, install the WordPress Front-end Submission plugin. You can purchase it on usefull.com. We put the product page URL in the description of this video. Once all required plugins are already activated, go to Google Recaptcha page and then V3 Admin Console menu. And then, fill the label, select Recaptcha version 2. Please note to select version 2, not 3. And then, add your website domain. Click Submit, you will get CAPTCHA site key and CAPTCHA secret key and then copy them. Next, please go to Youzify panel, Extension Settings, Front-end Submission Settings. Go to CAPTCHA Settings, and then paste CAPTCHA site key and CAPTCHA secret key. Last step, go to your front-end submission form. Add Post Recaptcha to Form Builder and then update the form. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.